Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Monday. It's Gregor Baird of Gregor Speaks. Nice to see you. I hope you had a beautiful weekend. It was a beautiful weekend here in Chicago. The weather, everything was great, and probably one of the best weekends for Lollapalooza. No, I was not down in the mosh pit. Too many peoples. I was not there. The week ahead looks very good. Kind of low key for me. I got some work to do for the fall yet and see what my career is going to bring, because it's been a little devastating speaking on LGBTQ+ civil rights because of you know who. So trying. So if anybody's got any good ideas for me out there, bring them my way. I want to start off real quick. I just learned about 10 minutes ago that an icon here in Chicago has been doing a lot of work for years, unselfishly, for our community. Lori Cannon has passed away at 74 years old. Here's a picture of Lori. A dear friend. She was. I love talking with her. Has done so much work for people with HIV/AIDS, with Grocery Land and everything else. She has done so much work in the city of Chicago. She is in the LGBTQ Hall of Fame here in Chicago, but devastated to hear that she's passed away. I didn't know she had been ill, or maybe it was a sudden thing. So blessings out to her family and her legacy and everything else. She will never be forgotten. I'm going to really miss not seeing her when I've been a sidetrack for special events, and she's collecting like paper products and personal care items and things for the community. So, you know, I always chatted to her for a long time. We had a mutual neighbor by me that was just lovely and passed away several years ago, Charlotte Newstead, and we always talked about her. So she's going to be dearly missed. I know this is going to affect a lot of people. So prayers to everybody. I know everybody's very touched by this today, and I'll be thinking about her all day today. It's just a shock to the system, you know what I mean? Anyway, with that said, moving forward, a lot of things going on this coming weekend. Coming up is Market Days weekend here in Chicago. A lot of different events, DJs, performers, artisans, a lot of people coming with different booths and support and all sorts of stuff. Little cute David Archuleta will be performing on Sunday at 9:15 on the Addison stage. I don't know if I'm going to be there. I want to see him, but I don't want to be getting caught in the crowd, and I know it's going to be packed, so I may have to wait for the video. But I will do some video this weekend to kind of show you around and everything. And it's supposed to be a hot one, honey, like 90s. So make sure you wear your sunblock if you're coming to Chicago. And then the weekend after, guess where I'm at? Yep, I'm back in Saugatuck at the Dunes. Best friends going. We're going to hang out. It's a white party. Amy Armstrong's going to be performing in the cabaret Friday and Saturday at the Dunes, and I'm looking forward to seeing her there. I love her, great performer, and so it's one of the reasons why we're going. And it's my last full weekend. I know, shocker, at the Dunes, and then I'm back in the members party in September. So I guess that's it. That's all I got for you. That's all that's going on. But anyway, blessed to be here and continue my work. And blessings to all of you. A lot of you have reached out and commented. You know, my numbers are not high on here. I try not to compare what a lot of people are doing on YouTube and everything, but you know, I'm not taking my shirt off. I'm not walking around in gray sweatpants or doing food reviews. You know, that's for everybody else to do. That's just me. So, you know, I got my little niche in the world, and it's still developing and still going on, but you know, I would like to get more numbers, of course, and genuine people to watch me and support my channel. So, and I'm on, of course, on TikTok right here. I'm on YouTube right here, and then I put everything, of course, on Instagram, Blue Sky, and Facebook. Honey, it's another job. So, I'm off here. Have a great Monday. You can tell it's Sunday. The sun is coming out. It's a good sunny day, and I will talk to you later this week. Have a blessed one. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for the love and support. Subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you soon. Bye.